Hi everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends, your go-to spot for the latest car news, reviews, and everything that gets your motor running. Today, we're diving into a fresh take on a familiar favorite, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Celerio. Yes, it's back, it's better, and it's bringing some serious updates that might just surprise you. The Celerio has always been known as a budget-friendly hatchback that delivers more than it promises, and for 2026, Maruti Suzuki has pushed the envelope, aiming to make it not just a practical city car, but also something you'd enjoy driving every day. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for a second car that doesn't burn a hole in your wallet, this one's worth checking out. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Celerio has received a decent exterior facelift that gives it a more premium and modern look. The front fascia now sports a sharper grille with chrome detailing, sleeker headlights with optional LED DRLs, and a redesigned bumper that adds a bit of attitude. The side profile still carries that tall boy stance, but with new 15-inch alloy wheels, subtle body lines, and slightly flared wheel arches, it now looks more dynamic. Around the back, you get new tail lamps and a revised bumper, which complete the clean and fresh look. Step inside, and you'll notice an upgraded cabin. The interior feels more refined compared to previous models. Maruti has gone for a dual-tone dashboard with improved plastics and a better overall layout. The 7-inch SmartPlay Studio infotainment system sits at the center, supporting both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The instrument cluster gets a semi-digital setup with a fresh design, and the steering wheel now looks sportier with mounted controls. The cabin space remains one of the Celerio's biggest strengths. There's ample headroom and legroom for a hatchback in this segment. Even tall passengers won't have much to complain about in the rear seat. The boot space is decent for its Class A, perfect for grocery runs or short weekend getaways. The seats have improved cushioning and provide a comfortable experience even for longer drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Celerio retains the tried-and-tested 1.0-liter K10C petrol engine, but with refinements for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. It still produces around 66 bhp and 89 Nm of torque, but what's interesting is how peppy and responsive it feels in the city. Maruti claims a mileage of up to 26.5 km/L, which is seriously impressive and ideal for urban commutes. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual and an AMTA, and here's where things get better. The AMT feels more refined than before, with quicker shifts and less head nod effect. It's not sporty, of course, but for daily use and traffic situations, it gets the job done with ease. The clutch in the manual version is super light too, making it very driver-friendly. When it comes to safety, Maruti has stepped up. The 2026 model gets dual airbags as standard, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and hill hold assist in the AMT variants. There's also a seatbelt reminder for all passengers and a high-speed alert system. While it's still not the most advanced in its class, these features are welcome, especially considering the car's price point. Now let's talk driving experience. The Celerio isn't trying to be a hot hatch, but it handles city roads like a pro. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing potholes and bad patches fairly well. The steering is light and makes navigating traffic or tight parking spots a breeze. On highways, it stays stable at moderate speeds, though you'll have to plan overtakes carefully. Remember, it's built for efficiency, not power. One of the highlights of the 2026 Celerio is its value for money factor. It ticks all the right boxes for a city commuter: mileage, comfort, features, and reliability. Pricing is expected to start from around 5.5 lakh INR, ex-showroom, and go up to about 7 lakh for the top-end variant. That makes it a solid option for budget-conscious buyers who still want modern tech and a comfortable ride. Maruti's wide service network and low cost of ownership are major advantages. Plus, the brand's reputation for reliability means peace of mind in the long run. If you're someone who drives mostly in the city, prioritizes fuel efficiency, and wants a no-fuss, easy-to-maintain hatchback, the new Celerio could be your perfect match. So, What's the verdict? The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Celerio doesn't try to be flashy, but it knows its strengths and plays them well. With smart updates, better design, improved safety, and great mileage, it continues to be one of the best choices in the entry-level hatchback segment. If you're in the market for a compact, efficient, and reliable city car, the 2026 Celerio deserves a test drive. Let us know in the comments say would you consider the Celerio over its rivals like the Toyota Taigo or Hyundai Santro. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Turbo Trends for more automotive insights, reviews, and comparisons. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, and stay tuned for more turbocharged content.